one of the drinks at this little party is a very British one called Pimms, and it has fruit that goes inside it. Typically it would be cucumber, apples and oranges. Now the party's tomorrow, but you can get ahead. You can cut up the fruit and leave it in juice and it'll be all good to go, because we'll be in a hurry in the morning to put everything together. Chef's pondering. His face is a picture. Really? I'm not expecting that. Nor that. Son George is watching as well. We're all not expecting this.
What is he doing?
It's a good question, George. Normally, Pimms, I thought you did big bits, but he's obviously going for a micro. Oh, a very micro dice. Okay. Well, we won't argue with Chef, or he won't let us have any.
Sure, it tastes great.
Circus boy.
Oh, so my face goes on mine.
Just not your father's.
It's pretty good.
George's hands? No, Daddy's hands. George is the one we were preparing Christmas for, because he's only home for 3 days. We haven't seen him in 7 months. Come on, time's money. I should have mentioned also, mint goes into Pimms, and it's the most refreshing drink. Now, I'm a bit of a baby about alcohol, and I have almost none, but I will have the smallest amount of Pimms, which is alcoholic, drowned in gallons of lemonade, and you still get all the flavour and the fruity stuff, so it's a charming thing. Of course, apple would go brown. You understand. We're not drinking this till tomorrow. But by putting it into orange juice, all is well. Are you supreming them or just slicing?
Slicing.
I'm sure everybody knows, but we're just curving the knife round to get the pith at the bottom as well.
Oh, I can show this.
Okay, I can see a bit of pith. So that is a supreme.
Yeah.
Or supreme. Roger and the Supremes.
Thank you. When are you pushing that one off?
Roger went to chef school. Oh, waste not, want not. The Pimms won't be presented in this, you do understand. So the aim is everybody will get a little bit of each fruit. Okay, you're cutting a ridge. You're cutting a thickish slice. I wonder if anybody can already guess what this is for. It will be to garnish each glass. And the cucumber will be on the glass waiting. Are you going to bury them in the juice overnight?
No, I'll put them in a dish with cling film.
All right. And then lastly, some mint, which smells great. Dad's still making it, darling.
Is it ready yet?
It's for the party, but you could have some. So mint leaves, what's happening with them? Are they going in chopped?
Yes.
Okay, that around as well. Marvellous, delicious. Cheers! George has requested a Pimms after seeing us making that. And so we're going to make a small jug of it. Okay, so this is Pimms number 1. Is it gin based? Not sure. We should look that up. It's classic. It's associated with Wimbledon tennis time. Then you dilute it with lemonade. Could I have more lemonade in my glass, please? Because I'll have it extra dilute. Oh, funny. Thank you. So mine's a baby version, but you see how everybody will get some of the topping. You could do it in a long, tall glass. It doesn't have to be this sort, but anyway. Oh, I've got more than George. That's not right. We'll sort it. There you go. Happy Pimms, George.